In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Query tool from the Research menu. To activate Query, simply select Research from the dashboard, which opens up the submenus. Query is divided into 4 tabs: the ability to select the data, a table of results, graphical display of the data, and then a separate screening tool for common searches. We have saved some queries already, so in this case we're going to select one that we've saved, 3M. You can minimize the windows by clicking on the triple and double arrows. The way the Query tool is set up is the first option includes all of the tables that are in the database: balance sheets, cash flow statements, commodity prices, various ratios, consensus estimates, and so forth. In this case, we've selected the valuation ratios table. We've selected fields from that table as well: as of date, book value per share, dividend rate, enterprise value to EBITDA, and so on, down to symbol. Use the control key to select multiple fields. Finally, we've generated a filter for the data that we're looking for specifically. And the way that we've generated this is by selecting data directly from the fields. So for example, we selected symbol equal to, and in this case we would have typed MMM into the parameter box, and we would have also selected exchange ID equal to NYS. From there we can generate the query. There are 2 tables that are generated once we do that. One shows some basic statistical information: minimum, maximum, average, standard deviation, and variance for the numeric data that's available or that was selected. And the second is the table of the actual data. In this case, I'll sort it by as of date in a descending order so that we can see the most recent first. Next, we can see a graph of the data. So in this case, it's showing us the PE ratio, but we can select any of the different fields that are here. The Common Searches tab allows us to select data directly from the database in a different way. So we can actually select the exchange or exchanges that we're looking for, identify dates, both start and end. In this case, I'm actually going to use the same start and end date to limit the data to 1 day. And then again, a variety of data that we can select: ratio data, stock prices. You can see the variety of data that's available here. I'm going to select price to book ratio to start. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to load the data up because it's going directly to the database tables to generate the min and max values for you, to show you what they are. So I'm going to select price to book, companies on the New York Stock Exchange, March 31st, 2015. I will add that criteria, and then I will execute it. So what that's generated for us is a list of all of the companies that had a price to book ratio between 0.5 and 0.8 as of March 31st, 2015 on the New York Stock Exchange. A quick screen to show us the data that we're looking for. We could add more data if we want by selecting another criteria, adding its min or max values that we're looking for, and re-executing the query. So this quick video showed you how to use the Query tool on